Howdy there, YouTube. Just had a problem with the pulley on my Toyota 22R, and the cheapest I could find it online was $230 for a rebuilt one. The factory Toyota ones were over $300. But I started looking in here, and this has just got a regular bearing number, 6204V NSK. So I went ahead and looked online, and this is the one that you want to get. Two rubber sealed. You want it rubber sealed on both sides. And so you get this guy. It was $3.08 free shipping, and just using a hammer, some sockets, and a pair of needle nose, you can do it yourself and change it from something that doesn't work to something that works. I mean, usually the pulley isn't the problem, it's the bearing, and that's what gave out. So that's what I replaced for a savings of about $198. So if you have this problem, all you need to do is go and get one of these 6204 2RS that fits right in there. So you give it a little bit of grease, a little bit of grease on this bearing, and then on the outside of the bearing, and you got to kind of hammer it in there. But just use the old bearing. Once you get it out, use some sockets to drive out the old bearing, then use the new bearing to drive in use the old bearing to drive in the new bearing. Yeah, there you go. You just put the spring clip back in, you're good to go. So thanks for watching, see you next time.